Can you imagine your life without pranks? No? Then find a new prank compilation in this video. Take a switch and double-sided mounting tape. 2 pieces will be enough. Attach them to the back. Repeat for an outlet. Done! Your friend's going to charge her phone. She'll need an outlet. Tape it to the wall next to the door. It looks as if it's been there for years. She must think it's real. Where can I charge my phone, I wonder? Aha! Here's an outlet. What's wrong? The plug's okay, but it doesn't charge. Oops! It seems I've broken the outlet. No, I haven't. That's it. What about the switch? The same thing. Cool! Look, I can charge my phone with my own energy. And so can you. It won't take much time and effort for preparing this prank. Enjoy it together. Does your friend like to put a lemon slice in her tea or cola? Treat her with a special lemon. Press it with your hands to make it produce more juice. Suck it into a syringe as much as possible. Suck blue food coloring. Squeeze it to color the lemon flesh. The more coloring you put in, the more saturated the shade of the fresh lemon will be. Do you want some lemon? Here you are! The sweetest moment is to see your friends look and pretend you've got nothing to do with it. Now, watch carefully. She may pay you back using your own prank. I've prepared a special piece of fruit for you. Take a banana and food coloring. Suck burgundy liquid. Eject it to fill the fruit. When you finished, treat your friend with the fruit. She likes them so much. Watch her reaction. Yeah, the color's disgusting. She's never seen such a banana before. Take a piece of wide adhesive tape for another trick. Attach it to the door casing. You can attach a few strips. The key factor is quickness. Your friend won't expect any trick. Just wait until she enters and see what will happen. I know another door prank. It'll take a little more time. Take double-sided tape. Attach a piece to the wall opposite the door handle. Tape a balloon. Attach a piece of the tape to the handle. Take a push pin. Stick it to the handle. Call your friend. Coming! Boom! Oh God! What's happened? Is your friend terrified of bugs? Set a cute one on her head. Offer for her to take a selfie. Tidy up her hair and carefully set a toy bug on her head. She doesn't notice anything at first. Then she turns her head and sees the bug. I never thought she could scream so loudly. I know her weak points as well. I'll place a spider where she least expects to see it. Use a black marker to draw a spider on a roll of toilet paper. The more realistic it looks, the more effective the result will be. Replace the toilet paper roll. Okay, let's listen. She's seen it! I'd better run away. She works on her notebook all day long and doesn't notice anybody around. Let her think I've spilled my nail polish onto her precious device. Squeeze hot glue on a piece of plastic. Cut it out. Paint it with nail polish. Place an empty vial of the same nail polish. Add a dried brush. Perfect! It looks exactly like the real stuff. Sit next to your friend, painting your nails. As soon as she goes out, place the fake pool of nail polish on her keyboard. Don't forget the bottle and the brush. She's horrified. But as soon as she touches the pool, her shock fades away. She sighs with relief, but I did manage to make her worry. Well, I'll put something special into my friend's pencil case. This eye-catching slime is so nice to feel, but she doesn't know about it yet. Put it into the pencil case next to her usual stuff and watch the reaction. Hooray! She got scared. How can we make such a bright slime? We need white glue and a little water in a glass. Pour the glue in. Squeeze red acrylic paint. Mix it with a wooden stick. Add a few drops of borax. Stir again. The mixture is thickening before your eyes. This slime is not as elastic as slime could be. It tears easily, though you can knead it in your hands and stretch a bit. Does your friend have a sweet tooth? She can hardly live without candies and sweets, and vegetables are so good for health. But I can't talk her into eating them. I'll have to try a cunning trick. Let's disguise the vegetables as her favorite candies. We'll turn a little cherry tomato into a lollipop. Take off the wrapper. Remove the stick. Clean the sugar remains. Stick the tomato. Wrap the lollipop. Press the wrapping to the stick. Tape it to imitate the original wrapping. We've got a special lollipop with a hidden secret. It's time to reveal the secret. Offer the candy to your friend. Now watch her carefully. She didn't expect anything like that, but it's worth it. She decided to taste the lovely tomato. Cool! It may help her start eating vegetables. You can also use broccoli for the lollipop prank. Remove the wrapper and the stick. Take broccoli. Break off a floret. It fits well. Cut off the stem. A little effort and you'll manage to attach the broccoli. Wrap it like a lollipop. Tape it to secure and offer this unusual candy to your friend. Unfortunately, this time she's ready for the trick. And here it is. You can't taste the raw broccoli, but it looks cute. You can use it like a microphone to pretend you're singing a song or making an interview. I've got another prank idea. I know she's a great cola fan. Let's use it for a joke. Pour soy sauce into a cola. It's of the same color, so nobody notices anything. Are you thirsty? Take a cola. Let's see what will happen. Oh darn! What's wrong with this cola? Is it bad, I wonder? You don't say. I like to put it into my marinades. Pen jelly? It sounds incredible and looks odd. Carefully take pens out of her pencil case. Make jelly. Add sugar and pour in hot water. Mix it up. Pour it in a tall glass or vase. Put in the pens. Place it in the fridge. When cool, add jelly of different color to cover the pens. Cool again. Carefully remove the jelly from the vase. Stand it upright. It looks strange. I hope my friend will like it. Here she is, talking on her phone as usual. She wants to write something down. There's nothing in the pencil case. And what's this? My pens! Inside the jelly. It's my dear friend's tricks. I should call her to make her eat the jelly and take my pens out. Is your friend still unable to touch type? You should work on her keyboard. Then she'll learn fast. Pop up a few keys. Replace them. She tries to search for some information on the internet, but she gets abracadabra instead. Then, she wants to type a text in the Word and gets the same thing. Finally, she notices that the letters on the keys don't correspond to the typed symbols. She thinks it's something wrong with the computer. She's going to call for a specialist to repair it. It's time to tell her the truth. The lights are turned off all of a sudden. That's how all the horror movies start. But Redhead is hard to puzzle. She still wants to apply her night face cream. Watch out! It is easy to mistake face cream for a clay mask in the darkness. Squeeze a clay mask into a container. Add food coloring and mix it. Put the clay mask into an empty face cream container. Redhead applies the mask to her entire face and stretches out to get her pajamas. It's strange, but this cream has some weird tightening effect. Maybe it's lifting, but I am too young for a facelift. It's great that my pajamas are at hand. I pull the pants on. Oops! It seems that they untied into a plot against my legs. Sew trouser legs together carefully. The pants are sewn. Now it is impossible to stand in them, only lay in the bed. What kind of jokes are those? We will find out. Somehow I managed to reach the door with small steps. But there is a new obstacle. Somebody pulled a string in the doorway. My sewn pants are not able to overcome it. Emma hears a loud noise. It looks like Redhead fell for all the night pranks. Excellent! Now she can sleep peacefully. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new prank ideas on the Troom channel.